This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 39,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Harry Humphreys Auto City is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 311 Commercial Parkway in Dover.